side. They're like absolute sweats.
Yeah, they have to be sweats. I think I can do it if I just hold grab out. Oh,
Yeah,
you
maybe.
can do it by just holding out grab. If you walk into it and just hold grab, it works.
Yeah, that is an option too.
So this time, actually get the checkpoint. Let's go.
Very limited. I wonder if it's something to do with things that you do and those shadow rays.
Oh, did you make it past Black Princess though?
Yes, I did it.
Oh, you only need
How?
four
Wait.
stars.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
supposed
no.
to do that. That's so hard.
Oh no. Oh, I hate this. I hate this so much.
What
What?
from you, for example, making in AR mode?
Why not?
They just don't show up.
For some reason my grab button won't work, or me grabbing the thing isn't working.
No, you just hold down grab. Hold down grab.
Yeah, no, I am holding down grab.
Are you diving or anything?
No, I'm not diving. It's just I think it's because I'm at such a high height when I'm falling.
No, just walk and grab. Walk and grab. I did it. Why is there not a checkpoint here? I'm almost at the finish line. I'm almost at the finish line.
Ain't no way. If you finish, I'll be so happy for you. Clip to the blue way.
Let's go!